Talk to me, babe, it's magical.
What's up, y'all? Here's a quick how-to on Bam Bam's Lullaby makeup look. Let's get it! First, I'll be taking this beige shadow and apply that all over the lid as a beige shade to make blending easier later on. I run that same color on the lower lash line to keep everything looking uniform. I'm using a mix of these two colors to create a nice warm brown. I pack that at the corner of my eye because that's where we want the most pigment. Then, I blend the shadow about halfway of the eye, making sure to extend the color out of it. I just keep building that up until I'm happy with the opacity. Then with whatever's left on the brush, I connect that down the outer third of my lower lash line. With the smaller brush, I take the dark brown to deepen the eyes even more. Using the same technique before, but in a smaller area, I pack the shadow at the outermost corner of the eye. Then use sweeping motions to blur it out. Again, with whatever's left on the brush, I drag that down the lower lash line to darken that as well. For extra measure, I take the previous brush I used without dipping back into the palette. Then, ran that all over half of the eye, just to ensure there are no harsh edges and everything looks blended out well. Hey! We done! Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you!